This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Harley Hensley. In the heart of Apopka, this sold block home in an established community is ready for you to move in. This home features 3 bedrooms, indoor laundry room, ceramic tile throughout the home, a large backyard, and so much more. Located only minutes from the 429 shopping and restaurants, this home has it all. On top of all this, the home has a large private backyard. For more information, review the details below.